Hello, everyone. This app is made by Telediri. Could you please explain what it does for us?
Greetings! My application, the Real Estate Analyzer tool, is crafted in Python and JavaScript. It uses the Flask framework as its backbone. The tool performs web scraping, generates tables through data manipulation, creates interactive charts, and produces comprehensive PDF reports.
Web scraping. Meaning?
To initiate data scraping using manual search, select a website and input search parameters. Selenium is used for scraping, with the Flask Socketdown library enabling server-client communication. Notably, Ingotland.com incorporates a Cloudflare anti-bot protocol, which the app bypasses using the undetected Chrome driver. There are also breakpoints within the app for user interaction, if necessary. Following data scraping, users can navigate to the data section, where various tables represent the collected data. These tables are dynamic, adjusting their columns based on the scraped data. The data frame is saved in the Files folder in CSV and Pickle formats too. In the Charts section, diagrams are interactive and can be saved as PDFs. They're created using the Plotly package. These charts dynamically adjust their axes depending on the provided data frame. The CoralPath chart utilizes the user's Mapbox API key to obtain location data. The PDF Creator section allows users to select which tables and charts to include in the report. Users can opt for a cover page or introduction, with the ability to modify or create new text for each section. The selector menus update in real time, indicating if the text is original or altered. The Contents section contains links to the introduction, tables, and charts chapters. Generated PDFs can be saved, printed, and further edited. The tables and charts are also saved as PNG files in the Files PNG folder.
I see. This app does a lot. Is there anything else though?
Oh yes, the option for web scraping using a direct web address is also available.
Oh.
For scraping a web address, users must provide the link to the search result from supported websites.
Gotcha.
The process thereafter remains consistent with manual search. For each item, a direct link is provided to assist the user in further investigation.
If something interesting is spotted, perhaps my new home